Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we'll be learning new concept. That new concept is composition of functions. This composition of function concept is coming under the first chapter of math class 10, that is relations and functions. Okay, this is the small concept of first chapter. I'm going to explain this concept with simple example here. Just have a look. Okay, here the title is composition of functions. Okay, the meaning of this composition is combining two functions. Okay, the simple meaning is combining two functions. Let me explain this with very simple example. The example is getting ready for the school. Okay, the getting ready. The task is you have to get ready for the school. So here, just assume that we are going to follow only two steps. Okay, just assume like that. You have to pack the bag and wear the uniform. These are the two functions you have to follow. Two steps. Okay, but the rule is you have to wear the uniform first. Okay, wear the uniform first, and after getting dressed, you have to pack your bag. That is the rule. Okay, these two steps are given: packing bag and wearing uniform. But the rule is you have to follow second thing first, and after getting dressed, you have to follow the first thing, first function. Okay, after completing this two step, you'll be ready for the school, right? So just assume that this packing bag is a function, one type of function, and wearing uniform is a one type of function. After combining these two functions, you'll be ready for the school. So the task will get completed, right? So this is the very simple concept. The same concept you are going to use in the math concept. Okay, now actually in all the problems, two functions will be given. Okay, one is f of x and one is g of x. In our example, packing bag, just assume that packing bag is a f of x. Wearing uniform is a g of x. Okay, we have to find out f of g. We have to read this as f of g. Okay, we should find out f of g here. Okay, here the task is getting ready for the school. Getting ready for the school represents f of g. Okay, we have to read f of g. This is the task. F of g is the task, and f of x and g of x is the f of x and g of x are the two functions that is given. Okay, you have to apply the second function, that is g of x first. Okay, the concept is if you want to find out f of g, here we can say this f means f of x, g means g of x. Okay, f means f of x, g means g of x. The two functions will be provided in the problem, that is f of x and g of x. Using that two functions only, you are going to find out f of g. F means f of x, g means g of x. If you want to find out f of g, you have to apply the second function first. What is second function? G of x. Here what is first? F is first, g is second. Okay, so second function should be applied first. That is the rule. Rule number one. Second rule is after applying this g of x, you will be getting one result. Okay, after getting that result, you should apply the result in first function, that is f of x. Okay, The concept is, if you want to find out f of g, you have to apply the g of x, that is second function first, and after applying the second function, you'll be getting one answer, and after getting that, you have to apply that answer in first function. Okay, this is very simple. F of g. F means, as I said earlier, f means f of x, g means g of x. Okay, we can say f of g as f of g of x. We can say, we can write like this. This is kind of formula. It is constant. It will not change. Okay, we can write f of g as f of g of x. Okay, and this one more thing is there. We need to find out f of g, and if you find out g of f, what you have to do? You have to apply f of x first. After applying that f of x, you will be getting one answer. That answer should be applied in first function, that is g of x. Okay, and also we can write g of f equal g of f of x. This is kind of formula. You should remember this. Okay, this is all about the concept. Based on this concept, we are going to do the problem. Okay, just if you couldn't understand, just go through again. Definitely you'll be able to understand. And now we are going to solve the problem. Now I have written the question. The question is, find f of g and g of f when f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x square minus 2. Okay, this is the question. We have to write the given information. What is given information in the question? F of x. What is f of x in the question? F of x is equals 2x plus 1. Okay, and then next, what is given? G of x equal x square minus 2. What we have to find out? We should find f of g and g of f. Okay, that had been asked in the question. First one is f of g. We have to find out f of g. We should read like this as f of g. We should read this as f of g. Okay, as I said, as we discussed earlier, how we can write f of g? We can write f of g as f of g of x. Okay, this both are same. F of g and f of g of x is same. So now what we have to follow two steps, right? Rule. What is the first rule? We should apply the second function first. Here, what is the second function? G of x. Okay, we are going to apply the second function. What is second function? G of x. G of x value is x square. What is given in the question? X square minus 1. Okay, sorry, the question what is given? X square minus 2, not 1. That is given in the question. X square minus 2. The same thing will be coming here. We are applying x square minus 2. Okay. First step has been done. What we have done? We just apply the second function. Okay. This is the result. After applying the second function, we are getting this as result. Okay. Now we are going to apply this result in first function. What is the first function? F of x. Okay. So here we are going to apply the result in first function. That is the second rule. Okay. Here, this is the answer. This is the result what we have gotten from the previous step, right? So now we are going to apply the second rule. Just consider this is f, this is x. Okay. In this formula, we are going to replace x with this x square minus 2. Okay. In this, that is the second rule. In this f of x formula, we are going to replace this x with this value x square minus 2. That's it. What is f of x that is given in the question, right? 2x plus 1. In this formula only, we are going to replace x. So, here, what is f of x? 2 into, in x only, we should apply the value x square minus 2 plus 1. Okay. And what would be the next step? We should multiply 2 with x square minus 2. 2 into x square, 2x square, 2x square, then 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 1, and 2x square minus 4 plus 1. This is negative, this is positive. So we have to subtract from small number. We have to subtract small number from big number and put this simple of big number. So 4 minus 1, 3. Big number simple is minus 3. Right? So answer is 2x square minus 3. This is f of g. Okay. This is very simple, right? And next we have to, what we have to find out? We have to find out g of f. Okay. How we can rewrite g of f? We can write g of f of x. Okay, this is kind of formula what we have done before. And now only we are going to apply the two rules. What is the first rule? Apply second function first, and after getting the result, we are going to apply the result in first function. Okay. So here, what is the second function? F of x. What is first function? G. Second is f. Okay. Here we have to apply the second function. That is the rule. Okay. What is f of x here? In the question, what is f of x? F of x is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Two x plus 1. Okay. We just applied the first rule, and second rule is we should, after getting the result, we should apply this result in first function. What is the first function? Here, what is the first function? G of x. Okay. Here, this is g of x is first function, f of x is second function. And in first thing, f of x is first, g of x is second. Okay. Here, this is first, this is second. And here, this is first, this is second. Okay. Now, we are going to apply the result in g of x. What is g of x? G of x is x square minus 2. X square minus g of x is x square minus 2. In this formula only, we are going to replace x with this 2x plus 1. Just treat like this as g of x. G of x, the whole thing as x. Okay. In this formula, we are going to apply this. We are going to replace x with 2x plus 1. Okay. So here x square. What is x square? Here we have 2x plus 1 as x square, right? X square minus 2. So this is in the form of a plus b the whole square, right? So we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab. If you are applying the same formula here, what would be the answer? 2x square plus 1 square plus 2 into 2x into 1, right? And this minus 2. Here 2 square means 4. X square, then x square. And now plus 1, right? 1 square means plus 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. 4x into 1, 4x minus 2. So now what we are getting? 4x square, this 4x, this minus 2 and plus 1. Next answer step would be 4x square plus 4x minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, minus 1. This is the answer of G of F. Okay, this is the answer of example 1.19. That's all about this video. We'll see in another video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give thumbs up, share it with your friends. For more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Till then, Shiny signing off.